Everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are diving into something seriously futuristic, the Aero Trainer from PolyFab. If you're into smart wearables, cutting edge designs, or just love seeing tech pushed to the boundaries, you're gonna want to stick around for this one. Little insight into PolyFab. It is a global leader in 3D printing lifestyle innovation. They've developed over 2,000 bio-resin formulas with up to 53% bio-based content. And they are using high-performance materials, adaptive structures, and intelligent design tools to turn what used to be impossible into reality. And it's where art meets manufacturing, and the results are wild, and we're going to take a look at that right now. So today we're going to focus on the Aero range, but just so you know, PolyFab also offers other models like the Flux, the AirPuff 1 and the AirPuff 1 Pro. But today we are going to focus on the Aero Trainer, and that's what we're going to check out right now. So when you receive it, it will come in a nice little box like this. Now, each of the boxes do come differently, and it really depends on the actual item that you've bought. So today we are going to check out the Aero range, and as you can see, I chose the black. Now there are a number of other different colors, and you can choose on their website the size you want, the color you want, or even the style you want. So it's limitless as to what you can do. Now, this particular one is the Aero Trainer, stands out with this dolphin streamlined design, which has gone through over 5 million user tests and a 7-day adaptive comfort trial. It's ultra light, super breathable, and built to recover quickly, just like that, making it one of the most advanced 3D printed trainers out there. And we are going to delve a little bit deeper into this with some user active tests, and we're going to get some feedback from people that have never used or even seen 3D printed items in the flesh. So stay with us. But before you do that, don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out PolyFab's website and get yours now. They've currently got a deal on, so it's the best time to get involved in this PolyFab craze. So take a look at the manufacturing process as it goes through all the rigorous testing at the PolyFab factory.
PolyFab.
So let's take a look at how this trainer performs in daily life. From workouts to walking, even just kicking back and chilling, I'll show you how it holds up, how it feels, and whether it lives up to the hype that's on the net right now. And now a quick word from today's video sponsor, PCBWay.com. PCBWay are a PCB board manufacturer. They do standard PCBs, advanced PCBs, FPC and rigid flex, assembly items, SMD stencils, and even CNC and 3D printing. Head over to their website for this really easy guide. Any projects that you have that you want carried out, they can do that just with this simple drag and drop section. They give you an instant quote, and that is PCBWay.com, today's video sponsor. Now you've seen it in use, let's check out some customer feedback. Plus we've got a first time user trying it out and someone who's never seen anything like this before. Let's see their reaction. You're going to want to stay with us. All right, Al, so yeah, thanks for joining me on the channel.
Yep.
So, as I said to you earlier about these new 5D printed, 3D printed trainers, I thought I'd just give you an initial look at it and just get your idea and thoughts on it. So these are 86% springy, they're 360 degree breathable trainers, and their stretch rate has 320%, so they are highly durable trainers. It's fully 3D printed as well from PolyFab, and they're 53% bio-based composition as well, so super energy-based product. So what's your thoughts on these Aero Trainers?
I'll be honest with you, I wouldn't have thought these were made by a 3D printer. Absolutely.
Amazing, aren't they?
Yeah, they really are. I would have thought that. They look durable, they look tough, they look comfortable.
So, like I say, I've worn these on a day-to-day basis for the last few days now, up and down stairs, using them for walks, and I must say they have been truly amazing. So like as you can see, PolyFab, they've got a number of different versions of these, and they're new to the market, and being 3D printed, I think they're just unlimited amount of possibilities with these trainers.
They look flexible but tough as well. They look
they're highly durable.
That is so comfy. That is really comfy. You know?
Yeah. So would you yourself be considering buying some 3D printed trainers in the future, possibly?
I would. The way technology is, I would, to support all this, because I think it's incredible what they're doing now. Absolutely incredible.
So, no, I'm really glad that you like it. I certainly liked it. So that's PolyFab's Aero Trainer, and it's definitely had the seal of approval from one of our customers. By the looks of it, it's future possible for 3D printing in the future. That brings us to the end of the review. So you've seen it in action, you've seen some of the details and the manufacturing process, you've even seen some customer feedback on their first experiences of a 3D printed trainer and what the technology has evolved to. So this is the Aero Trainer from PolyFab. Get yours now. There's a link in the description, and don't forget to like, subscribe. This is the PolyFab Aero.